Good morning, everyone. So, whoever has joined late, sir, we are now discussing the concept of promissory note. So, now I'm considering one example, sir, where seller has sold goods worth 50,000 on credit to buyer, sir. Now, can I say we have seen in bills of exchange, sir, their seller was writing some document, sir, something he was writing on the document where he was ordering Mr. B to make the payment, sir. Okay, but this time what has happened, sir? Mr. B is like, I will make the payment, God promise, mother promise. So seller told, ये God promise, mother promise तो नहीं होना, you give your promise in writing. You give your promise in writing, sir. So what did buyer do, sir? Buyer ने फटाफट he took one paper, sir, and on that paper he is undertaking. What he is doing, sir? He is undertaking his liability to pay. Can I say he is accepting his liability to pay? He is undertaking his liability to pay, sir. So what he has done, sir? So I, Mr. B, do hereby promise to pay and Mr. S a sum of rupees 50,000 for value of goods received, and then he will put his sign. Who is putting his sign, sir? Buyer is putting his sign. Okay, very good, sir. Sir, after putting this sign, sir, now buyer will hand over this document to whom, sir? Seller. Buyer will hand over this document to seller, sir. Buyer is hand overing this document to seller, sir. So can I say now this document is lying with whom, sir? Seller. Again, sir, yesterday if you remember, seller is creditor, seller is debtor. You have to reply, sir. Seller is creditor or seller is debtor? Obviously, he is creditor, sir. And can I say buyer is debtor? चलिए sir, very good. Okay. Now tell me, sir, who has prepared the document this time? Who has prepared the document this time? Buyer, sir. Sir, here we could have called this person as a drawer. But thing is, we wanted to differentiate between bills of exchange and promissory note. इसलिए we gave him a different name, which is maker. Which is maker. So who is maker, sir? Who is maker? Maker is that person who prepares the prompt, who prepares the document. Agreed? Now, can I say this is a document which is having one note? This is a document which is having one note. And what is written in that note, sir? एक promise. इसलिए we call this as pronote. We may also call this as promissory note. Promissory note, sir. Agree? And can I say creditor is the one who has to receive the payment. इसलिए we call this person as payee. We call this person as payee, sir. I hope you understood up to here, sir. Now, sir, imagine seller has to make payment to somebody. Can he do endorsement? Can he do endorsement, sir? He has to make payment to somebody, sir. Can he do endorsement? He can't do endorsement. Durga, can he endorse this? Can I say if he cannot endorse this, why we are reading under the chapter called negotiable instrument? if you are reading under the chapter called negotiable instrument, it means they have to be endorsed. Can I say negotiable instrument? They have to be negotiated. Sir, endorsement ka another word I can use is negotiated. Negotiated matlab transferred. Others are not replying today. Negotiated matlab transferred. Amukta, are you listening ma? Or busy in your family discussion? Okay. Chalo, now come back ma. Okay, listen carefully in the class. Now, sir, this is over, sir. Endorsement is over, sir. Now I don't want to continue the story how I continued yesterday. C say D, D say E, again, and a holder in due course. All these things not required because you know the concept, sir. So this time what has happened, sir? C held it till maturity, sir. And on the date of maturity, presented for payment. On the date of maturity, presented for payment. And this time B is very good person, sir. He paid, and this came back to whom, sir? Mr. C. Clear? Now can I say everything is completed? Everything is over, sir. Agreed or not, sir? So what are the things we have observed here, sir? Sir, tell me, whose liability is primary and conditional in this case? Whose liability is primary? First liability kiska hai, sir? Debtor. Agreed or not, sir? So can I say his liability is what, sir? Primary plus conditional. And can I say seller का जो liability है, what it is that, sir? Secondary, and this is primary plus unconditional, sir. This is secondary and conditional. I hope you understood this point, sir. Can I go more forward? Sir, promissory note may be holder in due course concept exist. Answer is yes. I always told you, sir, holder in due course matlab accepting before the maturity for value bona fide intention. That is good faith, sir. That's it. He becomes holder in due course. So this concept will be there for check also, for promissory note also, and for also bills of exchange, sir. समझ गया बच्चा? Okay. Sir, now tell me, sir, agar imagine Mr. B writes like this: I promise to give 4 buffaloes. I promise to give 4 buffaloes, sir. Imagine 50,000 words of goods के लिए 4 buffaloes he is ready to give, sir. Do you think still it will be called as promissory note? Do you think he is writing like this: I, Mr. B, do hereby promise to pay 4 buffaloes on the due date and not to Mr. S or his order? Do you think still it is promissory note? Answer is no, sir. Promissory note should always be for money. ये एक बहुत ही important point you have to remember, sir. It should be always for what, sir? Money. So other goods के लिए you can't have promissory note. Maybe this will be called as a contract note. This is a contract, but this is a special type of contract with respect to money, इसलिए we are dealing with NI Act sir. समझ में आया? Okay sir, done. Sir, अगर somebody ask you कि भैया please differentiate between bills of exchange and promissory notes, sir, कैसे करेंगे सर differentiation? Can you give me some points, sir? Be thoda fast, man. Let's not waste our time. Come on, sir. How shall we differentiate? First, let us talk about parties. Can I say here how many parties are there, ma? 3 parties are there, sir. Can I say we already know the name? Drawer, drawee, and pay. But either you will have only 2 parties. One is, shall I call this as a drawer or maker? And then we have pay. The next point, sir. Sir, acceptance or presentation. Let us put heading as presentation, sir. Can I say here 2 times presentation was required? Can you tell me when, sir? 2 times presentation was required. Can I say 1 presentation for acceptance and here presentation for payment? Can you tell me, sir, in promissory note, what is the funda? Promissory note mein, what is the point, sir? Can I say presentation for payment only? Agreed or not, sir? Acceptance not required. Can I say here we can write who makes the instrument, or you can also write who draws the instrument. Makes के बदल you can also use one word who draws the instrument. बोल दो बच्चों, bills of exchange में who draws the instrument? Drawer, or can I say creditor? Creditor. But promissory note में it is the debtor. It is the debtor, sir. Sir, next point, sir. Where we are ordering to make the payment and where we are promising to make the payment. Order किधर दे रहे हैं sir? Where we are making the order, sir. Can I say bills of exchange में it is order to make the payment? Can I say here it is promise to make the payment, sir? Though you may write words in bills of exchange promise also, but main characteristic of bills of exchange is what, sir? It is an order to make the payment. आप order दे रहे हो, sir. So do you think there is a chance कि drawer and payee can be same. Where sir? किधर है chance drawer and payee can be same? Where that is possible? Drawer and payee can be same. Where it is possible? See one. See, we are not writing comparison. Comparison may we write similarities also, differences also. I am only trying to show you differences, sir. Can I say promissory note may 300%, sir? Can I say maker and payee cannot be same? Agree? Maker and payee cannot be same. But can I say bills of exchange may, if endorsement is not done, can I say drawer and payee can be same? Drawer or payee can be same, sir. Agree? So you may write down this point also. Drawer and payee can be same parties if bill is not endorsed. अगर बिल को एंडोर्स नहीं किया तो दे कैन बी सेम पार्टी सर. बट कैन आई से इधर तो हमेशा डिफरेंट रहेगा सर. और एक इफ रिक्वायर्ड सर, कैन आई से बिल वेर ऑलवेज ड्रॉन इन सेट्स. सेट्स मतलब 2 कॉपीज were there sir. But can I say promissory note में तो I never said they will be drawn in 2 copies sir. Bill is drawn in what sir? Sets. No, not, they are not drawn in sets sir. Or you may write down not drawn in sets. Okay, this is enough if it comes for 5 marks in exam. Not drawn in sets. Is it easy sir? Did we buttify sir, or just we are trying to recollect whatever we have studied? So no buttification sir. लिख दिया आप लोग? भावना, did you write ma? Cecil, Gaurav, Durga Sai Prasad, Bhargav, you don't participate only. I don't know whether you are listening or not sir. चलिए, Bhargav, are you there? Okay sir. Now let me discuss another छोटू सा concept which is check also. So we are trying to understand all those basics sir. उसके बाद फटाफट important sections और important questions we will discuss. Shall we go forward sir? Check के बारे में shall we discuss? चलिए sir. Now check me what is happening sir. Again let's keep the concept same sir. So we were having seller, we were having buyer. Sir, seller has sold the goods. Okay, very good, sir. Now, sir, now the point is, seller is like, भाई पैसा तो है, but cash नहीं है. It is there in bank. B is like, पैसा तो है, but cash नहीं है. It is there in bank. So can you please go to bank and collect the payment? So imagine if B directly goes to the bank, will B be able to collect the payment? Answer is no. Sir, imagine B is maintaining bank account with SBI Gandhinagar branch. SBI Gandhinagar branch में B is maintaining his bank account, sir. So do you think if he sells the goods, B tells to S कि तुम बैंक के पास चला जाना, है ना, और मेरा नाम बोलना कि Mr. B has sent me, and tell him 20,000 B asked me to give, bank will pay you, sir. Do you think that will happen? Answer is no. So can I say if S goes to SBI and says what, and B told me to give 20,000, so can I say SBI will ask some proof? No. SBI will ask some proof, sir. Hence हमारा जो अन्ना है sir, he will now draw one check. Can I say pay dash rupees dash, इसमें in numbers also you write, sir. Okay, so here we will write pay Mr. S 50,000 rupees, sir. Okay, अभी सर super intelligent question I am asking, sir. Sir, ये जो pay he is saying, sir, now he is saying pay Mr. S. Mr. B is telling whom this words, sir? Mr. B ये बात किसको बोल रहे हैं? Pay Mr. S, मतलब to whom he is saying these words? After writing something, after signing, whom he is ordering, sir? Obviously to bank. Obviously to bank. So can I say by writing on the check, Mr. B is giving some instructions. Mr. B is giving some instructions to the bank. Agree? When you write on the check, you give some instructions to the bank. क्या instruction दिया sir? कि जो भी check पे लिखा है वो काम करना. Yes or no? बोलो बच्चा बोलो. Yes. So now what will happen, sir? This check Mr. B will give it to whom, sir? Mr. S. ये जो check था, we will give it to Mr. S. Now what will S do, sir? What will S do? What will S do? Present the check for payment. Present the check for payment. Okay. Now SBI क्या करेगा sir? Will check what is written on the check, sir. तो pay Mr. S. तो can I say SBI will make the payment, sir. But don't you think SBI would like to check whether the person receiving the money is Mr. S or not? Agree? So what may SBI do, sir? What may SBI do? आप S हो या नहीं हो? So obviously, upon verification, किसका verification, sir? S का verification, bank will make the payment. Bank will make the payment to whom, sir? Yes. Did you understand this point, sir? Did you understand this point? Okay. So this is how it works, sir. Sir, ये जो document था, है ना? This is what I mean by check. This is what I mean by check. Sir, now tell me, sir, who has prepared the bill? Who has prepared the check? Buyer, sir. तो कहने से buyer का नाम होगा, buyer का नाम होगा drawer. On whom it was prepared? Sir, on whom it was prepared? Now, here most of you might be making confusion, sir. Sir, on whom it was prepared? Bank ka name, sir. On whom I said, for whom I did not say. English is a very funny language, sir. So on whom? So it was SBI, sir. So SBI will now become drawee in our case. SBI will now become drawee in our case. And who has to receive the payment, sir? Mr. S. So he will become pay. Did you understand this point, sir? क्या ये बात समझ में आया आपको? Yes. So can I say check में भी there are three parties. Check में भी there are three parties. Do you think check में और bills of exchange में more similarities are there or more dissimilarities are there, sir? Differences तो है, but more similarities are there. Yes, more or less similarities are more, sir. उधर भी three parties, इधर भी three parties. So check is a special type of bills of exchange. अगर if somebody ask you difference between check and bills of exchange, what is that you will be writing, sir? Sir, I may write drawee is always a bank in check. Can I say other things remaining constant? Jaisa you used to study in economics. So this party is constant party, sir, drawee. Bills of exchange में drawee keeps on changing, sir. Depends. Sorry. Drawer keeps on changing, sir. Drawee is always the person who makes the payment, sir. So he will be other than bank. because if it is bank, then that will be called as check. Did you understand this point, sir? Second, most important thing, sir. Sir, check has a maturity period. How much, sir? RBI has fixed this 3 months. Matlab, from the date on which it is drawn, from the date on which it is drawn, you should present it for payment within 3 months. आपके पास टाइम लिमिट है for presenting for payment. Time limit for presentation. Time limit for presentation of payment, sir. So ये time limit है आपके पास. But here no such time limit, sir. Sir, जैसे ही maturity date comes, है ना, you have to make the payment, sir. जैसे ही maturity comes, you have to make the payment. Did you understand, sir? Now, can I say check में there is no question of grace days. 3 दिन रुक के जाओ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If date is written, you can go on that day, sir. But can I say here grace days bracket में no. Here grace days का concept exists, sir. Okay. आगे जाकर I will teach you, sir. Check में crossing can be done. You have something called crossed check. ऐसा no concept is there in bills of exchange. Is it over, बच्चा? चलिए. You might have written this. If yes, you let me know. Then I can go for another topic, sir. Bhargav is not replying only. अच्छा, निकल भी गया वो. Very good. Thank you. Okay, sir. Now let us discuss another point, sir. Heading right down, sir. Types of check. Very, very important concept. Types of check. लिखा था मैं कभी. चलो, no problem. It's not this. Usha. कैन आई गो फॉरवर्ड सर? टाइप्स ऑफ चेक में यस। अब टाइप्स ऑफ चेक कितने प्रकार के सर? सो इफ आई हैव टू से यू देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ चेक सर। देयर आर कितना सर? थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ चेक सर। व्हाट आर दोस? एक है बेरर चेक सर, दूसरा है ऑर्डर चेक एंड तीसरा है क्रॉस्ड चेक और क्रॉस चेक। So bearer check, order check and cross checks. So let us discuss. Again cross check में you have some types sir. We will see types of crossing we say. We have some types of crossing, but I will not fill this now. Let me first discuss first two types of checks. So you may leave half page, and then start writing sir. Okay. So first let us talk about bearer check. Bearer check sir. Sir, now what you do sir, somebody and from your pocket or at your home sir, एक 10 रुपए का नोट या 100 रुपए का नोट, you try to just have it sir. देखो एक बार, are you able to see? What is this written sir? What is this written here? Though it is not visible here, but आपके नोट में इधर क्या लिखा है? You just check it out sir. What exactly is written here? What exactly is written here sir? You will be finding one standard terminology. I promise to pay, and I am more interested in this word. I promise to pay bearer the sum of 2000 rupees. Okay, so can I say even this rupee is an instrument? But it is not negotiable instrument. Rupee is not a negotiable instrument. Yes, it is an instrument. Kyun? Sir, it is a document. Okay. Sir, rupee को we call as bearer instrument. Rupee को we call as bearer instrument. Can you tell me sir why we call as bearer instrument? So today imagine sir, this note is with Cecil. This note today is with Cecil sir. Very good. Sir, imagine tomorrow and from his pocket I take the money. मैं ले लिया सर. अब कैसा लिया वो छोड़ दो सर. I took it sir. I took this note sir, yesterday that note was there with Cecil. Now this note I took it, sir. ये किसका हो गया सर? Now this note belongs to whom, sir? Now this note belongs to whom? So can I say this note will now belong to PJ, sir? Agree? Sir, imagine from me, है ना, this is now taken by Likita, sir. Now this belongs to whom, sir? Can I say her? From her, है ना, it goes to Shreya, sir. So it belongs to whom, sir? Her. So इसका मतलब, what is that one thing you have observed here? What is that one thing you have observed here, sir? What is that one common thing we have observed here, sir? जिसके हाथ में आ गया वो उसी का हो गया. Agree? Whoever is holding it, he becomes the owner of it. So if today I am having this 2000 note, tomorrow Cecil cannot say ये मेरा है, एक चमाट लगा. And tomorrow if Likita is having, sir, I cannot say मेरा है, Likita एक चमाट लगा. So can I say like this? This is what I mean by bearer. Bearer मतलब who holds it. So here also, imagine a scenario, note belongs to me, but if somebody steals it, sir, if I go to bank and say what, actually I was having 2000 crore note, but that is stolen, please give me 2000, sir. Do you think bank will give you? No, because इधर क्या लिखा है? 2000 का वर्थ तेरे को कब मिलेगा? When you will get 2000 rupees का वर्थ, sir. When you will get 2000 rupees का वर्थ, 2000 वर्थ का गुड्स हो या जो भी हो, कब मिलेगा? If you are the bearer, because note itself says I promise to pay the bearer who holds it. I promise to pay the bearer, sir, who holds it. I hope you understood this point, sir. Yes or no? So what do you understand now? Bearer instrument मतलब क्या, sir? What is a bearer instrument, sir? Whoever holds the check, he gets the payment, sir. Agree? Sir, any specific person will get a, any person can get a. Any specific person will get a, or any person will get a. Note में I am saying, sir. Any specific person, any person having this note will get money, sir. You know, or money is worth. So bearer instrument में क्या हो रहा है, sir? Sir, check में B was supposed to write like this: pay dash rupees 50,000 only. ऐसा 50,000 in numbers is writing, sir. He is mentioning the date also, some date is mentioned, and he puts his sign. Bank ka name is also there, sir. But here he did not fill this column, sir. ये blank है. Okay, ये blank है, sir. And what did Mr. B do, sir? Mr. B has given this to Mr. S. Mr. B has given this to Mr. S. Now tell me, sir, Mr. S is holding this checker. Mr. S is holding this checker. Am I audible, sir? Mr. S is holding this check. Agree. Yes. Sir, now tell me, sir. Agar tomorrow imagine, sir, somebody steals this check from Mr. S. Do you think he will also become an owner now? Matlab, he can also receive the payment? Can he also receive the payment? तो कैन आई से लाइक दिस, जिसके भी हाथ में ये चेक आ गया, whoever receives this check, he becomes the owner. Agree? Agree, sir? So that's the reason I call this check as a bearer check. I call this check as a bearer check, sir. I hope you understood this point, sir. I call this check as a bearer check, sir. So bearer check में one special point what you have to write, sir? Name of payee is blank. Name of a payee is blank. What is it I have to write, sir? Name of payee is blank. So you may write down this point, sir. Payee का नाम blank होगा, sir. Is it over? Now tell me, sir. Name of the payee is blank. In future, whoever is the holder, in future, whoever is the holder, if he wants to endorse, this, sir, how he can endorse, sir? पेई का नाम तो ब्लैंक है. इफ ही वांट्स टू एंडोर्स मतलब बी हैज गिवन टू एस, तो एस इज द ओनर नाउ. इफ एस वांट्स टू गिव टू somebody else, S wants to give to somebody else. Now that somebody else is question mark. कोई भी हो सकता है, सर. Sir, he wants to endorse. So do you think S has to do something or take the instrument, give it to that person? Again, I am saying endorsement, sir. Take the check, give it to that person, sir. Do you think that is enough or he has to do something great now? Do you think he has to put any signature, sir? Do you think S on the back of the check has to write something or simple handover is enough? He has to sign, wine, anything he has to do or simple handover? Whatever check is having, sir, do you think he has to fill the blank, then only it will be endorsed, or like that also it is possible? You're not replying, sir. Come on. Like that also it is possible, or it should be filled, sir? Sir, like that also it is possible, sir. So can I say endorsement is possible by mere delivery? Though endorsement ka specific provisions are there, I will discuss this, but here endorsement is possible by mere delivery, sir. Endorsement is possible by mere delivery. Mere delivery मतलब क्या, sir? Hand over. So hand over the instrument, that's over. Now tell me, sir, agar S hands over to, say for example, Mr. C, okay, so agar C wants the money, what will C do? If C wants the money, what will C do? Come on, sir. If C wants the money, what will C do? C will mention this column as C, sir. Matlab in this column, he will write C. And then he will go to the bank, give the proof that he is a C, and he will receive the payment, sir. But imagine C does not want the money. He wants to do further endorsement. What will C do now? What will C do now? Again, her handover. Sir, law language में you should not use a word handover, use a word mere delivery. What is the word you should use, sir? Mere delivery. So signing binding is not required, sir. समझ गए बच्चा? Okay, sir. Now let me take another example, sir. Ready? So now we are discussing order check. Sir, here what is happening, sir? While writing the check, who has written the check, sir? B is giving this check to Mr. S. Again, B is buyer, S is seller. So B is giving this check to Mr. S. Sir, here he wrote pay S. Who mentioned this, sir? The person who has signed only has mentioned this, sir. Pay S. So he has mentioned, sir. So don't you think here Mr. B is giving one order to the bank. Mr. B is giving one order to the bank. What is the order, sir? What is the order, sir? What is the order, sir? कि पैसा दे देना. किसको दे देना पैसा? किसको दे देना पैसा? S को. Sir, this is what I mean by order check, sir. So name of the payee is Blanca. Name of the payee is mentioned. Name of the payee is mentioned. क्या ये बात समझ में आया आपको? Sir, imagine, sir, if check is blank, can any person with that blank check, sir, can he go to the bank? Imagine nothing is written at pay. Can you go to the bank and receive the money? Will bank make the payment? Listen to my question carefully. Here, I did not fill anything. Nothing is filled here, sir. I go to the bank and ask for payment, sir. Do you think bank will make the payment? Answer is no. Sir, that means what? That means what? B has given instruction to bank. B has given instruction to bank. Pay Mr. Dash. Matlab, who is that? So can I say while drawing bearer check may exist, but while bank making the payment, there is no concept of bearer, sir. Always you have to fill the blank, sir. Agreed or not, sir? See, while giving, there may be some blanks, but while making payment, bank has to ensure that all those blanks are filled. Do you agree with me? While giving the check, I may not write the date also, sir. But do you think without date mentioning, sir, bank will make the payment? Answer is no. So, आगे जाकर I will teach you one concept called payment in due course. What's the concept I will teach you, sir? Payment in due course. So these are some duties of bank, sir. Bank has to ensure that these things are properly checked. Key order is properly specified and you make what is a payment to that person only, sir. Date is specified, rupees in words and numbers matches, signature matches, everything has to be checked, sir. समझ में आया बच्चा? Did you understand? Agree or not, sir? Okay. Now I would like to ask you one question, sir. Sir, bearer check में, tell me, sir. Do you think the person, bearer check में I'm talking about, sir, person receiving payment, do you think he should have bank account? Matlab, he should have bank account. I'm not saying B should have bank account. B to definitely will have bank account. If he does not have bank account, how he can issue the check, sir? So now my question to you people is, should the person who received the check also should have a bank account, sir? First, let us talk about bearer, sir. Do you think bank account is required? कैन आई से मेरा पर्सनल बैंक अकाउंट जरूरी नहीं है? My bank account is not necessary, sir. Agreed or not, sir? So hence I am writing no here. Bank account is not required. Sir, this you will not write in exam. This you will not write in exam, but for your understanding I gave you, sir. Similarly, for order check, sir, do you think I should have a bank account? Person receiving the payment should have a bank account? Again, apply brains. Order check के लिए, do you think I should have a bank account? In fact, if you remember, check ka example why I gave, sir, I took the example of order check only here. So do you think S has deposited the check in his bank account? S has directly gone to SBI Gandhinagar. Did he deposit or directly he has gone to SBI Gandhinagar? SBI Gandhinagar को directly गया, sir, and उधर से ही he collected the payment also, sir. Agreed or not, sir? So again, tell me, sir. Sir, tell me, sir. Here, order may be. Do you think other party should have bank account? Order check may be. No, not required, sir. So exam में how you should write the answer, sir? ये दो lines को कैसे लिखना, sir? Sir, here you should write Drawee Bank makes payment. Drawee Banks makes payment over the counter. What is the word I am using, sir? Over the counter. Now, what do you mean by over the counter, sir? एक हाथ चेक दो, दूसरे हाथ पैसा लो. On one side you give the check, on other side you receive the payment, sir. Both are happening over the counter or not, sir? Bolo bacha. Did you at any time deposit this check in bank? No. Over the counter has happened, sir. Okay, so this is also one important line you should write in your exam, sir. So Drawee Bank makes the payment over the counter. Done delay. Can I go forward, sir? Is it over? Did you write this? Boys and girls. Okay. So what we are discussing, sir, we are trying to understand types of check. So check may bearer is over, order is over. Now let us talk about cross check. Okay. Now I'll ask you one question, sir. When two types of checks were there, what was the need of having this third type of check, sir? ये third type का check क्यों आया, sir? Okay. Now, obvious logic would be there could be some demerits with type 1 and type 2 checks, sir. Now tell me, sir, अगर tomorrow, sir, bearer check is stolen. So who was having the check today? S. S के घर से if somebody steals the check, and imagine the person who stolen the check was C. C मतलब चोर है. So Mr. C has stolen the check, sir. Now he goes to SBI Gandhinagar, proves that he is Mr. C, sir. He receives the payment, sir. Okay. Sir, now my question to you people is, tomorrow, if S wants to catch hold of Mr. C, do you think is it going to be easy? Agar Mr. S wants to catch hold of Mr. C, do you think it is going to be easy? Answer is no. Can I say even SBI Gandhinagar only ensured what he is Mr. C. We don't collect any evidences etc. from them, sir. We just want a proof कि आप C हो, बस ये prove कर दो. So you may show your ID proof, I may see your face, sir, and then I will make you the payment, sir. That's it. So can I say like this, tracing tracing who has received the payment becomes difficult where bearer and order check में tracing the person who has received the payment becomes difficult where in bearer and order check. तो write down, note में you write down, note में you write down sir. So these two checks में एक demerit क्या है sir? Tracing who has tracing the details of the person who has received the payment is what sir? difficult है ये. So ये बहुत ही difficult है sir. Okay, थोड़ा difficult has become. Agreed or not sir? It becomes difficult. Okay sir. Okay. So now don't you think अगर wrong persons receive the payment, गया payment, फसक. Now it will be very very difficult to find out that person sir. Hence what we have done sir, इस problem को solve करने के लिए, now this was the issue or this was the problem which was faced by order check and bearer check sir. So order check or bearer check से this is one issue sir. Sir इसका solution to some extent I am saying, not 100% solution but some extent I am saying sir is cross check. Is what sir? Cross check. इसका problem is now cross check sir. Did you understand this point sir? Cross check is what we are discussing now. Can I go forward? Boys and girls? Yes. So your next question should be, what is cross check? Third type of check we are discussing sir. What is cross check? ये cross check क्या है sir? Or what is crossing? So you may say what is cross check or what is crossing? ये cross check, ये crossing क्या है? Okay, चलिए sir, let's understand. Now this is one concept which as a student you should also know, as a businessman everyone should know sir. In fact this is that concept which is not that the only a student should know, commerce student should know sir, because checks are something which everyone is dealing with sir. Agreed or not sir? Life में एक ना एक बार तो आप भी चेक लिखेंगे सर और रिसीव करेंगे सर. So can I say you should know what is this crossing sir? चलिए let's talk about it sir. So as was sorry B buyer, B मतलब buyer has to make the payment to whom sir? Seller for the goods purchased. Agreed? So Anna क्या किए sir? Buyer he took his checkbook and in that one check leaf, sir, this time he writes pay, he writes Mr. S, he mentions rupees 50,000 only, ऐसा he writes, sir, full completely he writes, numbers maybe he writes, date also he mentions, signature also he puts, sir. But this time he does some special things, sir. This time he does some special things, sir. Sir, he is drawing, he is drawing, he is drawing two parallel lines. He is drawing two parallel lines. Now, where do you think he is drawing this line, sir? Sir, mostly in a top left. Can I say this is on the top? This is left side of your check, sir. Top left mein, he is drawing two parallel transverse lines. So he is drawing two parallel transverse lines, sir. Okay. Don't say account pay now only, ma. So wait, sir, wait. Okay, let me complete my answer, sir. So here he is drawing two parallel transverse lines. Two parallel transverse lines. Sir, where he is doing this, sir? On the top left of the check. Do you think aisa he is doing? Agar this way he draws the parallel lines, no, it means it is cancellation only. समझ में आ रहा है बच्चा? Okay, now let me explain you more better, sir. Sir, जैसे ही, who is drawing this, sir? B. Who was B, sir? Drawer of check. He is drawing what, sir? Two parallel. He is drawing what, sir? Two parallel transverse lines. Or you can say two parallel lines he is drawing, sir. Now, जैसे he draws these two parallel lines, sir, ये जो parallel lines he is drawing, no, these are some instructions. I always said, sir, who is giving instructions to whom, sir? Drawer of the check is always giving some instructions to bank. So these are some instructions. What are those instructions? Parallel lines are some instructions. Instructions to whom, sir? Instructions to whom, sir? Drawee, that is banker. Okay, sir. Instructions to banker. Now, question is, what are these instructions? What Mr. B is saying to the SBI Gandhinagar, sir? He payment for this check, better word, payment for this check, payment for this check should not be made over the counter. OTC matlab over the counter. Payment for this check should not be made over the counter. Payment for this check should not be made over the counter. So question is, अगर over the counter it should not be made, फिर कैसा, sir? Over the counter it should not be made, फिर कैसा? So here he is saying, sir, payment should be collected by a banker. Payment should be collected through a banker is a better word, sir. Payment should be collected through a banker only. Payment should be collected through a banker only, sir. मतलब payment will be collected by whom? Mr. S. But कैसे? Through banker, sir. So अगर somebody ask you, भैया crossing क्या है? If somebody ask you what is crossing, so what you will say, sir? What you will say, sir? Crossing क्या है? What you will say? बोलो फास्ट फास्ट बोलो. क्रॉसिंग क्या है? व्हाट इज द वर्ड यू शुड यूज, सर? क्रॉसिंग इज वन इंस्ट्रक्शन. somebody ask you क्रॉसिंग क्या है, so you should say crossing is a instructions. Who gives to whom? Crossing is an instruction. Who is giving to whom, sir? Drawer of the check is giving to drawee of the check. Drawer of the check is giving to drawee. Crossing क्या है? It is an instruction given by whom? Drawer of the check to drawee. What, sir? कि payment should not be made over the counter. Till now you were making the payment over the counter. Till now you were making the payment over the counter, but now you should not make payment over the counter. Till now you were making the payment over the counter, but now you should not make payment over the counter, sir. Did you understand this point, sir? Okay, so now fatafat tell me, sir, how things will work. How things will work, sir? So can I say we had seller, we had buyer. Can I say buyer has drawn the check on SBI Hyderabad? To be very specific, I told you Gandhinagar branch, G branch also I'm writing, sir. This check was given to Mr. S. Till now what S was doing, sir? S was going fatafat to SBI and collecting the payment. Now SBI will do what, sir? They will check the check. They will check the check. Wow. So they will see the check, sir. And what did they find, sir? अरे इसमें तो crossing है. अरे इसमें तो crossing है. So do you think now will we make payment over the counter? Do you think now we will make payment over the counter? No. So what is S supposed to do? S is supposed to deposit this check. S is supposed to deposit this check. ये check where he will deposit, sir? S may also have his own bank account, and नहीं है तो open कर दो. So imagine SBI is having with ICICI लकड़ी का पुल. Hyderabad में you have this place also, sir. So ICICI लकड़ी का पुल branch में he is having the account, sir. Okay, sir. Very good, sir. Now what will happen, sir? ICICI लकड़ी का पुल will present the check for payment. ICICI लकड़ी का पुल will present the check for what, sir? Payment. Okay, sir. And can I say SBI Gandhinagar will make the payment? SBI Gandhinagar will make the payment, sir. Sir, now tell me, sir, Mr. B was called drawer of the check. Sir, SBI was called as a drawee bank. Sir, S was nothing but payee because he has to receive the payment. So now my question is, ये मेहमान कौन है? ICICI लकड़ी का पुल कौन है, sir? Who is this person called? Who is this person, sir? My answer would be he is a collecting banker. ये कौन है बच्चा? He is a collecting banker, sir. Or you can say collecting bank. That is a more better word, sir. He is a collecting bank, sir. Because his job is only to collect the payment. On behalf of whom, sir? Payee. His job is only to collect the payment on behalf of whom, sir? Payee. Did you understand this point, sir? Boys and girls. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, sir, S is having one account in ICICI Lakdi ka Pool, sir. Sir, would your answer be different if S is also having an account with HDFC Lakdi ka Pool? and instead of presenting the check in ICICI Lakdi Ka Pul, he has presented this with HDFC Lakdi Ka Pul, and HDFC Lakdi Ka Pul has presented for payment, and SBI has made the payment, sir. Do you think this is also possible? Do you think this is also possible? Answer is yes. So इसका तात्पर्य क्या है sir? What is the meaning? See, what we want is banker. What we want is collection should be done by a banker. We are not saying that specified banker. So can I say collection can be made by any banker? Collection can be made by any banker, sir. Agreed or not, sir? So we are not specified. Why I am saying like this, you know, आगे जाकर I will teach you. आगे जाकर we will understand, sir. There are some special type of crossing also, sir. Okay. Right now, let's not confuse. So here, up to here, things are clear or not, sir? बोल दो बच्चा. Okay. Now, sir, now what I will do, sir? Now, if you remember, we have left some space here, sir. Cross checkmate, types of crossing we have left. So crossing I have explained you. Can I say cross check क्या है, sir? Cross check is nothing but एक instructions given by drawer to the drawee bank कि payment should be collected through the banker only, sir. Payment should not be made over the counter. Any confusion, sir? Till now, any confusion? और एकदम crystal clear, sir. No confusion, sir. Okay. Great combination. Bingo. Okay. Okay. So let's now discuss another concept, sir. Okay. Now types of crossing may. Now generally, sir, most of the faculties, yeah, most of the books may, yeah, most of the faculties only, sir. Books may, I will not say, sir. They will say crossing are of four types. They will say crossing are of four types, sir. But to be very frank, sir, agar literally you read those lines, sir, crossing are of only two types. Crossing सिर्फ दो प्रकार के, sir. Either you can call as general crossing, or you can call this as special crossing, sir. Okay. Though some people say that four types of crossing are there, sir, but I'm just before only I'm giving you a disclaimer, sir. This is my understanding, sir. Okay. So you can bindas write in exam also, no problem, sir. So crossing kitne type ke, sir? Two types, sir. General crossing, special crossing. Now general crossing is further divided into two types, sir. So general crossing can be restrictive. General crossing can be not negotiable. General crossing can be restrictive. General crossing can be not negotiable. Same is the case here also, sir. Special crossing can be restrictive. Special crossing can be not negotiable. Okay. So did you write this point, sir? Now what is our job, sir? Now we can match with other authors also. Now four types of crossing, if they say, this is what they say, sir. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is what they say. I'm just trying to present it in a more better manner, sir. So if still you want to write four types of crossing, you can, sir. So these are those four crossings, sir. But I am saying two types of crossing, uska hi further classification is restrictive, non-negotiable, sir. Clear hai, bachcha? Okay, shall we start, sir? Okay, few minutes, I'll conclude today's class, sir. Okay, so general crossing, till now I explained you, sir. Sir, here payment can be made to any banker. Payment can be made to any banker. Any specific banker, any banker, sir. Sir, you wrote two crossing lines, sir. Okay, as a two crossing you have done, sir. So now my question to you people is, you just said as a drawer, you have just given one instruction, sir. What? The payment can be made to any banker. Okay. Agreed or not, sir? So if I have bank account in 10 bank accounts, sir, I can present in any bank. I can present in any bank, sir. Okay. Did you understand, sir? So first write down general crossing में लिख दो. जनरल क्रॉसिंग में लिख दो पेमेंट must be made to any banker, or payment must, say better word is payment can be made to any banker. So in this type of crossing, payment can be made to any banker, sir. General crossing I am talking about, sir. Sir, अगर I say special crossing, exam में if you draw crossing, that would be more better, sir. Sir, remember crossing can be like this also. Crossing can be like this also, sir. There are some checks where you write like this also, sir. No problem, sir. This is also a valid crossing only, sir. Now, special crossing mein what is happening, sir? Here you are doing the crossing also, and here you specify the bank name, sir. Here you specify the bank name, sir. Meaning, sir, now tell me, sir. Agar Mr. B is making the payment to Mr. S, okay? So who should receive the payment, sir? Bolo, bolo. Who should receive the payment? अरे बोलो भैया, who should receive the payment? S का banker, but at the end of the day, who should get the money? S. Sir, don't you think even this check can be stolen? Agar imagine a scenario, in India, there are lakhs of S. There are lakhs of S, sir. If some S steals it, deposits in his bank, so can I say what will SBI Gandhinagar check Mr. S should receive and Mr. S is receiving? So don't you think abhi bhi some unauthorized person collecting is possible? Still now unauthorized person collecting is possible. Sir, you may say, sir, we can easily trace. No, are tracing, easing, that is all corrective actions. I'm saying preventively. Can we prevent unauthorized person from collecting? Answer is no. Can I say S नाम के लाखों लोग हो सकते हैं, sir. Okay. Yes, you may trace it, etc., etc. So the corrections we can do, sir. See, after failing, we can still pass the exam by writing second attempt. But can I say we want first attempt clearance? So we are now talking about more prevention, sir. So don't you think lakhs of S, may any S, if he steals it from this S, sir, he can still collect the payment, sir. So can I say itna safe nahi hai? Safety is there. Can I say order check? Order check से तो safety है. Bearer check से तो safety है. But still it is not that safe, sir. Hence we introduce the concept of special crossing. Now here what may happen, sir? Mr. B, while giving the check to Mr. S, Mr. B, while giving the check to Mr. S, he may ask to Mr. S, Bolo Mr. S, you are having how many bank accounts? So he is like, I am having 10 bank accounts. In which bank you would like this to be deposited? So he is like, nearby my house is ICICI Lakdi Kapul. So I would like to deposit this in ICICI Lakdi Kapul. So what will buyer, that is Mr. B, write here, sir? ICICI Lakdi Ka Pul branch. So जैसे he writes ICICI Lakdi Ka Pul branch and gives it to Mr. S. Now what will happen, sir? Can S deposit this with HDFC and HDFC go to SBI? Will SBI make the payment? वो बोलेगा नहीं, नहीं, है ना? This time it is not any banker. This time it is specified banker. So now I have to deposit this with only HDFC. I can't deposit this with else person, sir. Did you now understand the significance? Sir, here also 100% protection is not there. Lakhs of S may. Now chances are bright, sir. Sorry, it was ICICI. Now chances are bright. Maybe 10 people may be there whose name is S, and coincidence is that those 10 people whose name is S, their account is with ICICI. But still, can I say we have curbed, Hannah, we have curbed this number to very lowest possible, sir. Agreed or not, sir? So protection to bada na bhai. Crossing से, special crossing से protection to bada na bhai. Are you listening, boys and girls? Yes, sir. This is what I wanted to say you, sir. So specified special crossing में same words you will write. Same words you will write, sir. Instead of any banker, you will write what, sir? Specified banker. You will write specified banker. So here payment can be made to any specified banker. Who will make the payment, sir? Obviously, Droy Bank. So Droy Bank can make the payment to whom, sir? Any specified banker. Any specified banker only, sir. Clear hai, bacha? Now, other type of crossing. Other type, matlab, isme further classification I'll discuss in tomorrow's class, sir. So account, now, remember this point, sir. Okay, first you write down this point. Did you mention this? हो गया? Okay. Sir, ये जो restrictive crossing है ना, sir, I can also call this as account payee crossing. Now, most of the time you might have heard this word in your income tax paper. Or maybe normal life में also you might have heard this. Account payee check दे दो, account payee check दे दो. This is called account payee crossing, sir. So here also you can use the same language. So either you say restrictive crossing or you say account payee crossing, sir. Okay. So this we'll discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay, bacha. Now, sir, because this crossing wala concept is important, negotiable instrument में people have some difficulty, sir. Some students I am seeing, sir, they were not able to connect properly, sir. So only this class, sir, I will be putting on my YouTube channel, sir. I will be putting this on my YouTube channel, sir. I already told you. The name of our YouTube channel, sir. So www.youtube.com/PJ classes. Okay. So you will be finding this lecture on our YouTube channel also. So if at all some proper connectivity of internet was not there, sir, so you may go through this class again. Okay, and also share with your friends, sir. Okay, that will help you, because crossing is that concept which is not only relevant for commerce student but also for non-commerce students, sir. Okay, so this is one thing. Within half an hour or 1 hour, I'll upload it on YouTube channel, sir. You can go through and share it with your friends also. Second, yesterday I told you about civil liability versus criminal liability. Now, this is also one important concept which as a student you should always know. Now, this I am saying as per any law. I am not saying as per company law, etc., etc., sir, as per any law. Now, this video also I have already uploaded, but this video will premiere sir, है ना, at 6:30 today. So 6:30 p.m. evening May, this video will be premiering, sir. So like live, how we interact, sir, in the same manner, you can interact also at that point, sir. Okay. So you may also see this video today. This will give you really a value added advantage, sir. So these were these two things which I wanted to tell you, sir. Balancing part we will discuss in tomorrow's class. फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.